what is an FHA Streamline? Okay, so an FHA Streamline essentially is a rate and term refinance that the buyer and borrower is eligible for after they've made their 6th mortgage payment and 210 days after their official closing date. Okay, so the easiest way to think about it is after you make your 6th mortgage payment on that home loan, you immediately become eligible for an FHA Streamline. Okay, with an FHA Streamline, there are 2 different products that they offer with FHA. One is a non-credit qualifying FHA Streamline, and the other is a credit qualifying FHA Streamline. The majority of you guys, we're always going to take a look at the non-credit qualifying. That way we don't have to worry about any, credit reports, income verification, employment verification, etc. Now, you do still need to be employed. The lender will eventually verify that you are still actively employed with that company, but there is no income documentation, there's no pay stubs, no W-2s, nothing like that needed. We do not need to verify any of your actual debts that report to your credit. A lot of times that, we will still pull the credit score to make sure that we're getting pricing based off of, what your current credit FICO scores are. Of course, better the qualifying FICO, generally the better the pricing and interest rate will be on that FHA Streamline if we're credit qualifying. And then, of course, making sure that all of the most recent 6 payments have been made on time. That's literally it, guys. With the FHA Streamline, of course, the qualifying metric is that we have what's called a net tangible benefit. Okay, so the mortgage lender that's working with you, of course, on our end, we're always going to be making sure that to qualify for an FHA Streamline, after meeting all of the other criteria, is that there's a net tangible benefit to you as the borrower. Okay, so net tangible benefit can be defined a few different ways. It can be defined by saving you, let's call it 0.5% on the interest rate based on your current note rate, right? So if you're going from a 7.5% interest rate to a 7% interest rate, that would be what's considered a net tangible benefit to you, because not only are we reducing the interest rate by at least 0.5 point or more, but we're also reducing the total monthly mortgage payment. Now, there's other net tangible benefit options as well, or abilities to improve on if we're taking you from an adjustable rate mortgage, which, again, working with us, you would have never had an adjustable rate mortgage on an FHA loan, but some FHA products do have adjustable rates attached to them depending on the lender you use. So if you're going from an adjustable rate to a fixed rate, if you're decreasing the mortgage insurance premium, the MI on the actual loan itself, that's a net tangible benefit. There's several different ways that, of course, net tangible benefit can be defined, but there always has to be a net tangible benefit to you as the buyer and borrower when qualifying for an FHA Streamline. So the process is very quick, very easy. Generally speaking, you'll go from start to finish on an FHA Streamline somewhere between 7 to 14 days. You're going to have very little in the ways of closing costs outside of your title and escrow fees. Now remember, you already have an escrow account with your current escrow company, okay? That's your property taxes and homeowner's insurance that's being collected each monthly payment you make. Now, that money that's currently in that escrow account that hasn't been dispersed on your behalf, whether it's for quarterly tax payments, etc., will be reimbursed to you after closing. That'll be sent to you from the current lender unless we're able to do what's called net escrows, okay? If we are able to net the escrows, that would mean you'd have to pay less of those to reestablish the escrow account at closing. And in addition to that, of course, on your FHA loan, the reason why you want to try to attack and take advantage of an FHA Streamline, the earlier the better, is because with your FHA purchase, every FHA loan has what's called a mortgage insurance premium. That is a factor that is included in your total loan amount at the purchase or settlement of your FHA loan. Now, that FHA premium, that mortgage insurance premium that was included in your loan amount will be refunded to you based on how long you've had that current FHA loan. So the sooner that you're able to refinance out of the existing FHA loan into the new one, the more of that refund you will receive, okay? That will also go towards, payment of the new mortgage insurance premium as a reimbursement. So a lot of different advantages, of course, with the FHA Streamline. In this higher rate environment that we've been in, all of our clients have been educated on what an FHA Streamline is and when we'll be attacking and looking to address that. Of course, on our end, we're always taking a very close look and keeping an eye on our clients' equity in their property, interest rates that they're currently paying, and of course, doing everything that we can to help them decrease and improve on total monthly mortgage payment. Using this FHA Streamline is one of the ways to do that. Mari with the Escobedo team, your local mortgage experts. Let our family help yours.